Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up Hulu on your Fire TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to start streaming your favorite shows. Step 1. Turn on your Fire TV device and your television, then navigate to the home screen using your Fire TV remote. Step 2. Use the search function by clicking the magnifying glass icon on the home screen and type Hulu. Step 3. Select the Hulu app from the search results and click on it to open the app details page. Step 4. Click the Download or Get button to install the Hulu app on your Fire TV device. Step 5. Wait for the app to download and install, which should take just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installed, open the Hulu app by selecting it from your apps list or home screen. Step 7. Sign into your Hulu account by entering your email and password, or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 8. After signing in, you can start browsing and watching content immediately. Customize your profile and explore Hulu's extensive library of shows, movies, and live TV. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.